In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location on LinkedIn. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your LinkedIn homepage, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then scroll down until you locate settings and tap on it. Proceed to tap on account preferences. Then under profile information, proceed to select on name, location and industry. Then you'll be directed on this interface. Proceed to tap on this edit icon. This will land you on an interface like this. Then you can continue to scroll down until you locate location. Then under location, you have the option to enter your country here. In this case, if you want to change your country, all you have to do is to tap on it. Then you can proceed to delete this and enter your new location that you want to add. Then after which you pick the country's best match and you can proceed to enter the country postal code, and then you continue to tap on save, and that's it. You have successfully changed your location on LinkedIn. As I said, it's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.